Hello everybody. Now I would like to talk about how to find the derivative of natural exponential function. This is related to the differentiation of exponential function. If you have a function with the natural exponent here, like you would like to get the derivative for e to the power x, it will be e to the power x itself. Number 2, if you would like to get the derivative with respect to x for e raised to a power u, and u is a differentiable function with respect to x, this means you will get the derivative for u, will get the derivative du dx, then multiplied by e to the power u itself, or you can rewrite it as u prime multiplied by e to the power u. How to apply these rules? For examples, example 1, find d dx for e to the power 3x. Here this is natural exponential function. Then you will find the derivative for the exponent here, 3x, which is what? Which is 3. Then multiply by the same function, e to the power 3x. This is number 1. Number 2, the derivative, or find d dx for e to the power 5x power 2 minus 3x plus 1. It will be the same function, e to the power 5x squared minus 3x plus 1, but multiplied by what? By the derivative for the exponent. The derivative for 5x power 2, it will be 10x, down the power and subtract 1, or multiply 2 by 5, it will be 10, subtract 1, it will be 1, x to the power 1, minus 3x, it will be minus 3. And the derivative for positive 1, it will be 0. Now we get the derivative for this function. And you can apply this rule by using the product rule or the quotient rule. I think you remember d dx for the product of two functions u multiplied by v. U and v are two functions in x. It will be the derivative for the first, u prime multiplied by v, then add the derivative for the second, v prime multiplied by u. This is what? This is a product rule. This is number 1. How to apply or how to use this rule? The question, for example 3, find d dx for x squared e to the power x. Here you have two functions here, x squared and e to the power x. X squared is the first function, like u, and e to the power x, the second function, v. Then apply the first rule here. Then the derivative for this product, the derivative for the first, u prime here, it will be 2x, multiplied by the second itself, e to the power x. Then add the derivative for e to the power x, still e to the power x. Then multiply by the first, it will be x power 2. You can simplify your writing here as 2x e to the power x plus x squared e to the power x. If you would like to take e to the power x as a common factor, you have 2x plus x squared. Another example, if you would like to use the quotient rule, You know that d dx for u divided v, it will be what? It will be v squared. U and v are two functions on x here. Then you will square the denominator here and take the derivative for u multiplied by v, then subtract the derivative for v multiplied by u itself. This is what? This is a quotient rule, the derivative quotient rule. How to apply it? Number 4, find d dx for 5x cubed divided by e to the power 3x. How to get this derivative? Now you have a quotient rule here, or you can write it as a product rule by writing it 5x power 3 multiplied by e to the power negative 3x, or you can work as it. It will be here, this is v, you'll make a square, e to the power 3x all to the power 2. The derivative for the numerator here, it will be 15x to the power 2. Multiply down here, e to the power 3x, subtract. The derivative for e to the power 3x, it is e to the power 3x multiplied by the derivative of its exponent. It will be 3 e to the power 3x multiplied by what? By the numerator here, 5x power 3, x to the power 3. Simplify your writing, 15 x to the power 2 e to the power 3x minus 3 multiplied by 5, it will be 15 x to the power 3 e to the power 3x divided by e to the power 3x all to the power 2. You can take e to the power 3x as a common factor, e to the power 3x multiply 15x and 15, you can take it as a common factor, then you have x and x squared, you can take 15 x squared e to the power 3x as a common factor, then you have 1 minus x divided by e to the power 3x all to the power 2. You can cancel e to the power 3x with 1 on the denominator here. You will get what? You will get here, you will get 15 x to the power 2 multiplied by 1 minus x divided by e to the power 3x only. Thank you for watching.